Depending on the day, depending on the time of the year, you could have as many as 40 people at your open house or as few as 3. So doing an open house for 3 hours, it's actually very difficult. Well, when I say difficult, it's tiring, and there's a lot you have to be aware of. But it is okay for you to sit down and maybe look through a magazine or a newspaper. But once somebody comes in the door, it's very important that you don't continue to read. You need to get up and greet them with a smile and acknowledge them. Ask them to come and sign in. And then once they sign in, you give them a setup sheet, a flyer, and then you ask them, can I show you around? And you kind of gauge people. Some people you can tell want to be left alone. So you keep yourself at a distance so you can hear them if they have a question, but you don't follow them around like an obnoxious puppy. So you kind of have to gauge the person. Really what it's about is being welcoming. I don't know about you, but I've been to open houses where realtors aren't very friendly, and it makes you want to run away quickly. What you want to do is invite people and show them that this is the house for them.